which you can read about in my fake history, The Princess and the Queen, which is in our book, Dangerous Women. And they were both dangerous women. Viserys never changed the laws, but, factions formed at court. And there was one particular court ball, when the King Viserys was still alive, in which his wife, the Queen Alicent, wore a beautiful green gown, and his daughter, Rhaenyra, the crown princess, wore black. And each of her husbands had themselves claims to the throne. She produced 3 sons of her own by her first husband, who was a Valerian, which itself was a house with close ties to Targaryen.